Hi all friends, today we are just going to talk about the new way of exploiting the running vulnerability of web application name is password guessing attack on the web application. So it's very easy to do so. How to do? As you can see that we have on the screen the DVWA, the platform, the damn vulnerable web application. Let me first just log in into this panel. So as I have just using a one burp suite is nothing but a proxy intercepting tool to just which helps us to just like to uh, you know directly not interacting, let the client interact directly with the server. So whatever the communication is actually going to be made through the client to server system, the proxy will just help us to retrieve the information and to modify the information in the middle of this particular procedure. So what we are actually going to do, so for the time being I'm just simply stopping the intercepting data packets. Let me first open this account. As by default user ID is password is admin password. Now then I will just check this DVWA security, and here the brute force attack is just available, means basically this vulnerability is available on this DVWA where we have to bypass the this particular authentication. So here the password guessing attack vulnerability is running on. So for breaking this for breaking and the bypassing the authentication method, we will be taking the help from the burp suite proxy server proxy application, you can say. So what we will be simply doing now, I will be starting intercepting is on. Okay, now after that I will be just get back to the DVWA and putting any password. It might definitely wrong, but for the purpose of getting and for the purpose of implementing the brute force attack, you can say the password guessing attack, I would have to just put some any normal user account username and password. For example, I'm putting the username and password is hacker and the password is hackers for you. Let me click on it. So as you can see this over here, it is showing what that I have used the username is hacker and the password is hackers for you. So what I will be simply doing, I will be clicking on forward. So once I will be clicking on that, it will be showing the user password is incorrect. Don't worry guys, this is would be the one way for us to just hack the particular account by implementing the password guessing attack. Now get back to the history and over here click on post. So as you can see, this is not the our one information for which we are actually looking for. This is also not the one. Yes, this is what the particular one which we have actually applied. So let's just do one thing right now. Right click and click on send to intruder. So what the actually intruder will do, this will be simply implementing the the password guessing attack by just implementing the just by setting the position and payload. Over here set the position over here. Now as the some points are highlighted over here as like username, password, login and login detail and the PHP session ID and the security type. Now what I will be doing, I will be clearing all the things first, then after I will be choosing the username, click on add, password and click on add. So that what exactly the mean of it is, basically I would be just implementing the all possible ways to match up the username and password over here. So after that I will be just clicking on cluster bomb, which will be making the possible all the method for me to implementing the password guessing attack by setting the list of the you can say all the dictionaries which would be containing the information about all the username and password. But it could be only possible in case of if you are using the licensed version as I'm using over here. Okay guys, so we have the two payloads set over here. So I'm choosing one which I'm actually going to use for the purpose of just setting up all the possible name of username, as like I'm using mm, Vinayaka and welcome admin remove. I'm using admin administrator login cpanel adm, something like. For example, these are the the admin username which I'm actually trying to check whether it will be working or not. Now after that I will be choosing the payload set 2, in which I will be putting all the the guessing passwords which I will be imagining, like login welcome 123 1 2 3 4 5 6 admin administrator password pass. So for example, I have done it. Now what I will be doing after that, as I have defined the some username and password, now what I will be doing, simply I will be just getting back to the option of intruder, where it will be showing given option over here, start attack. Once I will be clicking on that, it will be starting the attack. As you can see that already it has started the all the things. Now where all the information is saved. So it is actually has done what, it is actually matched up all the possible user ID and passwords with each other to check what the actually response code is coming and the length type of the data packet. As you can see, the response code is same and the length is still same, and here we have to check which has something different if we have got the right username and password. As you can see guys, all are same, just only one is different, having the length. It means that this is what the username and password. If you have doubt, then what you can do, actually the username is admin and the password is password, because only this is the particular the payload set which we are able to see over here, which has the different the strength and the length. So what we'll be doing, let me close this window and get back to the proxy intercept and stop this intercept for the time being, and let me check whether this particular password guessing method is working or not. So enter. So as you can see, this the username is admin and the password is admin. It's completely working guys. So we have successfully bypassed the area. So this is what the method guys, through which you can easily bypass the any the login authentication. So thank you so much for watching this video and for following the steps through which you can easily bypass the authentication when you are finding the password guessing attack on any web application login authentication page.